Let's make some Southeast Asian style air fryer wings. So let this soak for a couple hours and let's go ahead and marinate our wings. I'm gonna go in with some minced garlic, some lemongrass. The lemongrass is gonna give it that Southeast Asian flavor. And a must for Southeast Asian is oyster sauce. It's gonna give it that savory taste. A must for Southeast Asian marinades, a little bit of chicken bouillon. What's gonna make it Southeast Asian? We need some fish sauce. Fish sauce is a must for Southeast Asian cuisine. In here is my magic dust. Mix shit good, some MSG. Let's give this a mix. Combine, marinate well. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. So now that is all marinated, let's throw in the air fryer. Put this in the air fryer at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. All right, we're gonna throw this in the air fryer for 375 to 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes at 375. And now make your sticky rice. This is a steamer rice pot. You could cook it in a rice cooker if you want, so you can make your sticky rice whichever way you want, but I'm gonna do mine the traditional way. Here is my steamer pot and then the woven basket. Add some water into my steamer pot. I have my water to the pot, put on my steamer basket like that. I have my soaked sticky rice that is soaked for many hours now. It's gonna be very nice and fluffy. Throw that in. So open it up. That smells good. When I flip it halfway through, I'm gonna go back. Can't find my original lid, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna let it vent out a little bit and leave a little crack right there. So easy to make. Look at that. Golden and crispy. This is gonna be so delicious with papaya. Wow. Check on the sticky rice. All right, so let's give it a quick flip. All right, our sticky rice is done. We're gonna release the steam because we don't want it to get soggy. Want to release the steam like that. I'm gonna release all the steam just like that. So now look, fluffy sticky rice. So this is sticky rice basket. So this is where we put our sticky rice in here. Voila. Got like a little treasure chest. Now that I release all the steam, I taste it, right? Chewy, bouncy, fluffy. That's really good sticky rice. My hands are clean. I'm just putting it in here. Wow, this is so good. You guys like sticky rice? You're missing kalifin and kasoy. Dude, I love kalifin and kasoy. I have it on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. Anything with topsay is good. I love kalifin. Mian pepper paste, so good. Here's sticky rice. In here, and I'll cover it up. We're spicy, savory, and umami. And lastly, for a pop of color, some chopped cilantro. For those who never had kalifin, it is so refreshing. It tastes like silken tofu. If you love sour, tangy, savory, this is for you.